Hello traders. Today we'll be looking at the ZUP 148 indicator for MT4. This professional harmonic trading tool automatically detects complex harmonic patterns, Fibonacci structures, and projected reversal zones so you can visually plan high probability turning point trades with geometric precisions. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now this ZUP or ZUP 148 indicator overlays harmonic patterns directly on your price chart using a dynamic zigzag engine to mark swing points. It then draws labeled harmonic structures such as Gartley, bat, butterfly, crab, shark, Cypher, A, B, C, D, and more, complete with Fibonacci retracement extensions and clearly shaded potential reversal zones PRZ. If you look above, we have bullish white swan, bearish white swan, and bullish white swan again. And you can read the text over here which says it's found three patterns and so on. Now these plotted patterns and PRZ areas visually highlight where the markets may be approaching high probability turning point rather than reacting after a reversal has already taken place. If we go over to its settings, we have the exit indicator, parameter zigzag for DMLEWA, we have the minimum bars, we have the minimum size, exit deviation, exit backstep, and period. We have other parameters that you can adjust after understanding what they each do to suit your trading style. And let's move over to its limitations and who it's for. You can also adjust the color. If I forgot, you can adjust its color to suit your trading style. Now, who is for? The ZUP 148 is aimed at advanced traders who understand harmonic trading, Fibonacci ratios, and pattern-based risk management. It does not generate simple buy-sell arrows, and it can be complex for beginners, as we can see. It may repaint zigzag points while swings are still forming, and always require confirmation and tight risk control around PRZs rather than blind entries. Now you can find the download link in the description below. You can also read the full ZUP 148 indicator MT4 article, including pattern lists, strategy examples, pros, cons, and practical tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.